Wave's mission is to develop embodied intelligence and bring this to autonomous driving, and do so in a way that is safe and lets people trust the autonomous vehicles they drive in. Generative AI is a way to train these systems that generates data. What this means is that we can bring a neural network that has the intelligence to drive all kinds of vehicles. This is really powerful for two reasons. The first one is that it allows you to learn through unsupervised learning, just by watching video, robotic sequences. The second thing is it allows you to connect modalities and build multimodal models that can not only learn to drive, but learn to understand how they drive, speak to you in natural language, or do things that go beyond a single task. One of the neat things about generative AI is it allows you to combine different modes of data seamlessly. For example, if you don't not only just train to drive, but you train on internet text, you can bring in the knowledge of all of text, the general purpose reasoning and capabilities that we get from large language models, and apply that reasoning to driving. I think this is one of the more promising approaches that we know of to be able to get to true generalized autonomy and eventually level 5 capabilities on the road. Through the simulation techniques we've built, like Gaia, that allow us to use a generative world model to simulate the complexities of the world in front of us, to Lingo, that allow us to bring in language pre-training, use the benefits and the diverse intelligence you get from large language capabilities and bring that into driving. These are some of the examples that are really pushing forward the safety, the interpretability, and the capabilities of our driving intelligence. NVIDIA has been the oxygen of everything that allows us to train our AI. We train on NVIDIA GPUs. The software ecosystem NVIDIA provides allows us to iterate quickly. This is what enables us to build those billion parameter models trained on petabytes of data that result in the driving performance. I think generative AI is going to become a central part of autonomous driving systems in the next years. You get in the car and get a co-pilot that can really drive you in a collaborative sense. You can ask it why it's doing what it's doing, understand the decisions it's making, or really personalize the behavior. This kind of experience that allows you to build a level of trust and relationship in the task that you are delegating to your AI, I think is going to be a key benefit AV 2.0 and what will allow us to trust autonomy at scale. And we're delighted to be building this with NVIDIA, training next generation models and deploying in vehicles that are empowered by NVIDIA GPUs to bring the benefits of autonomy to people around the world.